Hey guys, and we're back. This is video number 3. We're going to be doing some math. Before we get started, let's all say hello to my little helper. Hi, Luna. Hi, we need that paper, sweetie. Go away. Oh, you're so cute. All right, moving her down. Okay. Whoop. All right. So let's do some math. All right, so we need to come up with the K for the reaction at the bottom of the screen, okay? So that means we need to be able to manipulate the K's for the ones before. Okay, so I'm going to sort of do this the long way, and then we'll talk about maybe some shortcuts. But, okay, so first thing I'm going to do is just write down this, what I'm trying to come up with. So I have 2HF plus C2O4 2 minus, which is the oxalate anion, goes to make 2F minus plus oxalic acid. Okay, so I need to be able to get exactly this. So 2 moles of HF as a reactant, 1 mole of oxalate as a reactant, 2 moles of the fluoride ion as a product, 2 moles of oxalic acid as a product. Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at the equations that they gave me, and I'm going to start with the first equation. The first equation contains the HF and F minus. Now, it seems to be correct. The F minus is on the right and HF is on the left. But my moles are wrong, right? I need twice as much as that equation gives me. So I'm going to sort of double it, right? So I have 2HF. Now, another thing I'm going to recommend is make sure you line up your arrows. Otherwise, it's going to get really messy and confusing, okay? Gives me 2 H plus ions plus 2 F minus ions. And hey, I'm halfway where I need to be. Now, for this one though, the K was what? 6.8 times 10 to the minus 4. So 6.8 times 10 to the minus 4. But I doubled the reaction, which means the new K for this is going to be 6.8 times 10 to the negative 4 squared. 6.8 times 10 to the negative 4 squared. Now I'm going to pause the video to go get my calculator.